Hey, welcome everyone. It's Pat Mitchell here with TrickTrades. I want to do a quick trade recap and video lesson here for you on Juno. Juno was directly from the TrickTrades watch list, video watch list that I produce each and every night and release to all of my members, whether it be you're with the funded accounts or the guidance membership or the mentoring membership. It's a very in-depth watch list where I give entries and areas of interest. And with Juno here, this was very interesting. So Juno is up on some basically buyout rumors, and it really gapped up. Now, yesterday, let me get into the intraday now. So yesterday, this worked out very nicely. Ended up hitting this for some backside. Sorry, sometimes TC2000 can be a little finicky. Okay, so basically got in at that area here, walked it down, and see up in this area here at that 70. Once it put in the retest, we got in. I just took it just up to the VWAP just because of how scared the market's been trading lately, and I'm fine with that, guys. I mean, any trader that has longevity in the markets will tell you take the money while you can. Did it give me an exit signal? No, not necessarily, but you know what? I'll take my 2 points in a market like this and run. And this thing ended up pulling back about 5 points in total. So I did leave some on the table, but you can't trade these perfectly all the time. So what I want to point out is now you can see this red line. This is a area of resistance, okay? I really wish I could get rid of that tick there. That's annoying. One sec, guys. Sorry. So you can see it tested the 70, tested the 70, tested the 70, tested the 70, tested the 70. So what happens here, folks, is you get a bunch of short sellers that get very stubborn with these positions because of the big gap up. They're expecting this to really pull back and sell off quite hard to fill the gap. So to speak, or at least get it back down to this level of support in the 63s. So that's what they're looking for. Okay, so when you see a move like that, okay, and it tests the 70 a bunch of times. Basically, what shorts are doing, they're going to add into their position. Okay, they're gonna really accumulate a nice big position because those are gimme type of ads. You got to take an ad like that. It gets right back up to your initial entry, so you got to take it. Unless it breaks that line, there's no reason to cover. So you're going to want to add into that position. So basically until that breaks, they're safe in their minds, right? They keep adding in, adding in, adding in. They had the first one, so once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Maybe they added in on the sixth because if we zoom in, it actually looked like it was going to fail there. But you can see it was uptrending. So that's and following the 50 EMA as well on the 1 minute. So very strong. So what happens now? See, I got in at 69.92 in anticipation of the break of 70 to the upside. That's exactly what happened, folks. This was amazing. When this broke, I'll get zoomed in. Now, when this broke, it shot up instantly as soon as it broke the 70. It shot up instantly to the next offer that was on the level 2 was 70.62 or 70.69, and then it squeezed up. So instantly in the money, 70 cents, and it squeezed up, from highs back down to my rough entry here, almost 2 points. So an instantaneous 2 points. So as soon as it kind of pulled back that little bit, I ended up selling some, And as it pulled back to the 9 EMA, I ended up adding in. So I added back in. It ripped up. All of this was called out live, mind you, in TrickTrades. I said I was going to get in anticipation. I said I was going to take some off. I said I was going to add back in. This ripped up. As soon as we got this really big volatile candle, as soon as it popped back up, I ended up taking some sells, and then it pulled back. I called that out. I called out that I was adding back in, and when it ripped up, I ended up selling quite a bit of my position. And then as it just it like these candles look like they just instantly dumped. They didn't. They were just kind of sitting there, just hanging there. So once the buyers step aside, which there most likely won't be many buyers, as well as some volume coming in, it's going to be some exhausted levels. It's going to crack, and that's exactly what it did. So I took it off right before that big crack. Perfectly executed trade, called out live at TrickTrades chat. So I want to show you guys that you can nail these trades too. Now, I'm not big on alerts. TrickTrades.com is not an alert service, but I give you actionable trade ideas all day long. Okay, while I'm sitting here with you on screen share, if I see a trade that I deem worthy for someone that's building their account and is a safe trade, I'm going to tell you guys to take it. I'm not going to just alert some bullshit play that you guys are going to get your butts handed to you. I won't do that to you. Very solid risk reward. This thing shot up from my entry. Let me kind of get it right in that area right there, all the way to highs. Caught $4.41 a share. Okay. Now you could have capitalized on each and every penny of that. Where I took my final down to my initial entry was $4.16. Okay. Very predictable play because of the psychology that's involved with this. And that's something that you will learn to interpret, and you will learn to basically jump on and really capitalize on these type of moves that we get in the market. I'm really excited for you guys to come join me at TrickTrades.com because I know that given some time, you'll be able to recognize each and every one of these moves for yourself. Okay, we had members that were able to get in with lots of time and capitalize on this situation. So don't join some cookie cutter Momo based chat room that you're going to catch 5, 10, 15 cents on a trade. Guys, we hammer points each and every day. Literally each and every day. My minimum I'm looking for on a trade is 50 cents a share. Okay? And don't let the price of this stock scare you off. Okay? You do not need a massive position size in order to capitalize. You don't. 100 shares of this would have made you 400 bucks. Nothing wrong with 400 bucks. More than likely, it's more than you're making right now. So come join TrickTrades.com. Come be a part of a winning team where we're technically based and psychology driven, where we hammer points, not pennies, every day. Come give us a chat or give us a chance, guys. I know you won't regret it. I mean, TrickTrades.com, it's an amazing, thriving, growing community that's going to kick some serious ass in 2018, period. So come take a look, guys. We'll see you later. Thanks.